Are you carrying your ladder the hard way? Now moving ladders and supplies can be done easier, faster, and safer. All 4 of these can be replaced with one high-performance ladder mover. Ladder mover is a heavy-duty adapter that turns your hand truck into a high-performance ladder carrier capable of moving multiple ladders and supplies in one easy trip. Let me show you how it works. Start by slipping the ladder mover onto your hand truck tow plate. Now you're ready to load a ladder. The ladder can be pulled or pushed, whichever works best for your situation. Pulling enables you to navigate over the most extreme terrain, such as logs and boulders. Pushing helps you avoid collisions because you can see exactly where every inch of your ladder is going at all times. Navigate winding walkways and sharp turns that are impossible for ladders with built-in wheels. Centrally mounted wheels allow you to pivot your ladder around corners like a zero-turn lawnmower. It can also carry your ladder tipped on one side, enabling a wide stepladder to fit through a narrow doorway. You can even go up and down stairs. One person can do more, with less effort. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to control. It feels like power steering. Take your ladder anywhere it's needed, easily handle extreme terrain. Ladder mover is able to carry any size and type of ladder in multiple positions, as well as providing a hand truck at the job site with no extra work to get it there. Roll your ladder to exactly where you'll raise it. Our unique cradle protects as it cushions and supports your ladder, making it into a super long cart, able to carry additional ladders and supplies. Ladder mover enables one person to do the work of 4 people when moving ladders, building supplies, debris, tree limbs, and more.
What if I don't have a hand truck?
No hand truck, no problem. Ladder mover works great with the basic low-cost hand truck available at one of your local stores. A hand truck is one of those tools everyone should own. To show how tough it is, we placed the ladder mover flat on the ground and ran over it with a 4,400-pound Grand Caravan. Next, we placed the very same ladder mover on a fixture pointing nearly straight up, to simulate a heavy-duty hand truck. Then we placed a ramp on top of the ladder mover and drove the 4,400-pound Grand Caravan on top, simulating a ladder that is much heavier than the one you own. It didn't hurt it. I still used that very same ladder mover around the house to help with chores. It's also seen in many of my videos. If you value your time, labor, and safety, then you'll want to make the most of it with ladder mover. Guaranteed to handle your ladders and supplies easier, faster, and safer, or your money back. If you are ready to purchase, or you just want more information or videos, visit laddermover.com.